Hello everybody, this is Chris. We are here to watch Cape Canaveral set off yet another rocket. Let's see what we can see. In the meantime, before I see the rocket, I want you to check this out. Check out that beautiful sailboat. That's what I'm talking about. Right outside the back door. Let's see what we can see as far as the rocket is. It's definitely supposed to go off now. I do not see the rocket launch as of, oh, there it is. Let's see if I can get it on camera. It's really hard to do during the daylight hours. I can clearly see it with my eye. There it is. So let's check that out and see if I can follow that up. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but another successful launch by SpaceX. I can see it with my eyes, but it's hard to pick up with the camera. So I'll let you look at the people that have nothing to do with their lives other than hang out. Why is there a sailboat like right by the shore? I have no idea. I hope you guys have a blessed day. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.